Hello friends. Now I will tell you on what day you cannot remove suckers and leaves on tomatoes. And also tell for those who do not know why they need to be deleted. First, about the leaves. As you can see, on my tall tomatoes that grow in a greenhouse, the leaves at the bottom are removed, also on this bed. We begin to remove the leaves from the moment when the tomatoes are indeterminate on the plant, which means tall. 8 real sheets are already formed, so you can start trimming. Based on height, the tomato plant should be about 2 feet tall. At first, I remove the bottom 2 sheets a week. What it gives for tall tomatoes. First of all, it stimulates their growth. We also remove the bottom sheets to make good ventilation. But never remove the leaves above the fruit bunch in which all the fruits have not yet set. As soon as fruits are formed from the flowers, you can continue to go up further and remove the leaves. And with the growth of the tomato plant begins to grow, and suckers in the axils of the leaves. On tall tomatoes, we also remove them. And I'll say right away that on undersized, determinate tomatoes, we do not remove leaves and suckers. Therefore, if you grow tomatoes in 1 stem, then we remove all suckers for tall tomatoes, and if you grow in 2 stems, as in my case, then we leave 1 sucker, the strongest. Recently I posted a video on how to do it right. Go to the channel and take a look. And now I'll tell you about what days you should never remove leaves and suckers. Since by cutting a leaf or stepson we make an open wound in the plant, from which the juice flows, and if it flows for a long time, then it will be a big stress for the tomatoes. Plants can shed flowers, deteriorate fruit formation and stop growth. To prevent this, never peel off the leaves and suckers on watering days. I am my tomatoes, because now I water it hot every other day, and when the fruits in the first bunch begin to ripen, then I generally switch to 1 watering every 5 days. It's just during these intervals when there is no watering that I prune, thereby minimizing stress in tomatoes. Therefore, on my tomatoes, all the flowers in the clusters are tied into fruits, and I get a bountiful harvest without any problems. And in addition to what was said earlier, pruning should be done in the morning, so that during a sunny day, the wounds quickly heal. And then everything will be fine. So friends to whom the information from this video was cut, share this video with your friends and also subscribe to my channel, so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day. See you.